China's rapid advancements in military technology, particularly its hypersonic drone swarms, have sent ripples of concern through the Pentagon and global defense circles. These sophisticated systems represent a significant leap in autonomous warfare, combining extreme speed with coordinated, intelligent operations. Hypersonic drone swarms involve multiple unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, which is 5 times the speed of sound. These drones leverage artificial intelligence for autonomous decision-making, target recognition, and tracking, operating with unprecedented coordination. Key characteristics include their incredible speed, the ability to swarm, advanced AI integration, and the strategic application of military-civil fusion. The Pentagon's concerns are specifically tied to several Chinese advancements, including the MD-19 hypersonic drone, known for its extreme velocity. Another significant development is the GeoTechX mothership, designed to deploy and manage these advanced drone swarms from a central platform. China's WZ-8 supersonic drone also contributes to this concern, offering enhanced reconnaissance and potential strike capabilities at high speeds. The integration of AI-powered drone swarms and the robot dog strike platform further amplifies the complexity and potential threat of these systems. These developments have profound strategic implications, potentially eroding the long-held U.S. military advantage. They offer increased surveillance capabilities, allowing for rapid and extensive data collection over vast areas. Furthermore, these swarms provide enhanced strike capabilities, enabling precision attacks on critical infrastructure or moving targets. This technological leap could significantly shift the global balance of power, challenging existing defense paradigms. The concept of algorithmic sovereignty, where AI systems make critical decisions, also raises complex ethical and operational questions. In response, the U.S. is significantly increasing investment in its own hypersonic weapons research and development. Development of advanced counter-drone systems is also a priority, aimed at neutralizing the threat posed by hostile swarms. The U.S. military is integrating AI across its operations and developing layered defense systems to protect against multifaceted attacks. Collaboration with allies and initiatives like the Replicator program are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in this evolving landscape. The ongoing competition, involving key players like DeepSeek AI, NVIDIA, Huawei, Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Castlion, underscores the critical importance of technological innovation. This race for advanced military capabilities highlights how adaptation and innovation are paramount in shaping the future of modern warfare.